So this will probably be the last video with this Yamaha F25. It's a 2001 model. I put it up for sale. I've got that Mercury I want to run, but I wanted to do a speed test with this motor, the carb model. It's about 6:30, just before I put it away. Give my viewers a reference as to what a carburetor model does versus an EF5 model. Motor is cold. I just launched, so if you just hang on with me, you'll see what this thing does. Now, it doesn't respond as well as the EF5, but it does get me up on plane, and then I'll do about 20-21 miles an hour eventually, which is about the same speed as EF5. So about 3,700 RPM there. Valve came up. I'm trapped it wide open there. Valve is up. And we're out plane. That's 5,200 RPM with a 10-inch pitch. Factory Yamaha drive. Going against the wind, so about 20 right now. But Yamaha claimed that the EF5 was actually faster. It probably is because it's 30 pounds lighter, but as far as getting up to speed and whatnot, this carburetor model does just fine. And these carby models were made good 17 years before they moved to an EF5. And I like this carb model much better because, for one, that tiller's not shaking. It's quieter. Yes, I've had both motors. The carb model is quieter than the EF5 model. One of the reasons is the exhaust water comes out right there in the midsection, as you can see. It muffles it really well. Questions, comments, let me know.